Hi, welcome. I'm the Crypto Lifer. Thank you for coming to my channel. Hope you're having a good morning, day, afternoon, night, no matter where you are in the world. If you came to my channel and you like the content that I provide, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to hit that like button and please leave a comment. I absolutely love reading the comments. Today, I have an insane fractal and a position that I have taken here on Bitcoin where I believe we're going to gap up fast up to the $51,000 area, $52,000 area, and this is why I believe it. What I did is I was looking at the 4-hour, and Bitcoin just pumped above previous resistance here, which was at about 43,500, where the candles had previously closed. So we're going to mark that, and you can see that Bitcoin is above that now and holding, and it's actually above the $42,000 area, which is a big deal. Now, you would think Bitcoin would retrace. It's overbought on the 4-hour and the daily time frame, but it's interesting. I saw something, and I wanted to kind of check on this. So look at this. We came down. We had a little hook here, loop rollover, and then the double bottom up. Almost a bit of a shoulder ahead and a tiny little shoulder that you can barely see, right? Now, what's interesting is how much that resembles what we're seeing now. Look at this. And I just saw this fractal like now. So it's pretty crazy, but you can see they are like one and the same. They tend to be very similar to each other here. Like they almost match exactly, right? Now, another thing about it is, look, we were overbought here on the 4-hour, or overbought on the daily actually, which suggests that we will come down. However, we were overbought up here on the daily, and we were making the same exact kind of pattern, this like little tiny flag right above the resistance. And we would fly and pump to the upside. We're also kind of in the same place. Look, if I put a line here, we're in the same place on the RSI. If I put a line here, we're about in the same place as the stochastics RSI were. And this is interesting. If I flip to the 4-hour as well, and I go back in time to this time, you can see we're also overbought here on the 4-hour. And where we go sideways, reset with a sideways behavior, and then blast to the upside. Very interesting. So just because we're overbought here doesn't mean we have to retrace. We could easily just go sideways. Another thing I want to talk about is when that occurred, okay? When that occurred, and we saw that behavior here, you can see that we would go sideways only ever so, and we were very close to the 21-day moving average, okay? As price gets flat or lateral with the 21, and let me zoom in on that to show you what I mean here, but as price gets flat and lateral to the 21, it's less likely to make a falling wedge because it's already right where it needs to be. It's on that average. We're seeing that same thing occur here, meaning price has to come back to the 21. That's how I trade, and it's likely that this just goes flat because there's not a lot for it to come to, and it's above that support. It's a big reason here that I believe maybe, high possibility that even with the high Stokes on the daily and the 4-hour, that Bitcoin may flatten out here and gap back up to about $52,000. That's my analysis, breaking it down for you every single day. I also go live every single day, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Monday through Friday, and Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. Sunday night at 8 p.m. to get you ready for Bitcoin in the weekly candle close. So the week ahead is at your, you get all the information for the week ahead. So this video, breaking it down, why I believe it's highly likely now we could gap up to $52,000 to the next resistance point. This fractal is eerily similar, and you can see I grabbed it right from there. This fractal is eerily similar, and we're in the same exact places on the stochastics and the RSI. It's almost textbook. Another thing is we're above the 200-day moving average. Right here, when we got above the 200 in the 4-hour, we were gone. Got above the 200, we were gone. And again, it's been since November 17th, since we have been below the 4-hour 200-day moving average, and we finally breached it. So to me, this is a sign that we're flying up to $52,000 for Bitcoin.